Mabayad ang parking.
Palabas na siguro.
Kasi kunin niyo si Iman at saka si Seiya. Ay, what?
Uncle, sumakay ka? Yeah? Safe mo.
Does it say what time?
Ay, did it say what time, anak?
Dito kami ngayon sa Coa, no? Sea to Sky Gondola. Yun si Uncle. Yan na yung gondola, oh. Silang nagbubuk ng ticket. Mas mura pag online eh. Ayun yung mga
Magkano yung
mayroon din suspension brakes. Yan.
It's connected today.
Gondola. Okay, go, go.
So magkasama kayo, Shulka? Uy.
Woohoo!
How come it's not closing?
It's okay, it's open.
No, well, never mind, it's closing.
Yun, walang sakay. We're going up. Asa na sila ate? Yun. Nauna sila ate. Ah.
Look at the
Oh,
view.
asa na si Ryan?
Mommy, look at the mountain behind you.
Nice. I like it.
Nice. I'm kind of scared.
Nice. I like it. Kamu yung ano?
Yeah, I really like it. Look at the mountains.
47 isa. Mas mura pag family. Look at that. Oh, yun. Doon kami galing guys, oh.
Ayan,
Yan.
kaya ko nang tingnan yan.
Look at that.
Shaky.
Wow.
It's shaky. I'm scared.
Ay, malayo pa pala.
Layo pa.
Why? Why did they put it all the way up there? Oh, it looks really cool.
Bakit gumana ka?
Why is it moving? It feels like a roller coaster. Oh, look at all of the cars. I see all.
Tumataas pa pala, oh. Hindi pa pala yun yung tunay. Ah,
Yep, I really like it. Look,
yes.
we're almost at the top.
We're on top.
Wow, look at the broken trees. Sad. Very sad. Very, very sad. Oh.
We're on the top of
Ooh, look!
mountain.
Ooh, look, we're getting higher. We're getting higher.
Oh, yeah.
The top of the mountain.
Mm.
I think I see the star. I don't like to. Mommy, can you
Malayo pa,
help?
anak ko. Ayun o. Ayun pa lang yung ano eh.
Ooh, up and down. There. It's right there. Never mind. It's not. It's just darkness.
So it's not. Hello darkness, my old friend. Isa lang niya?
Ah, syempre. Ride, gondola ride nga eh. Yun, pangalawang bundok na to kami guys. Nasa pangalawang bundok na kami. Hindi, nalagpasan pa na natin yung dalawa. Pangatlo na pala ito.
Mommy.
Oh, ito, mag-isa rin niya oh. Oh.
Pista.
Wow.
Sise, don't stop. Napakan mo na yung ano mo.
Yeah, almost there.
That's why you're feeling air. It's open right here.
Yeah.
I'm scared.
There's an air vent.
Katawaan na kanina.
I can't fully breathe.
Baga na yung scared ko na.
There's less air here. And then we're in the middle of the mountain, that's why.
We're here.
Yay! Where's Atin? Lisa.
Yun, naghihintay sila, nakauna sila eh.
Get up. You're gonna be lifted.
Landing!
Sea to Sky Gondola Adventure in Nature. Yo, nandito na si Ate Emily guys. Oh. Adventure namin ng Sea Gondola guys. Exciting ito. Itong kwan na to, suspension bridge. Ito ang tunay na suspension bridge oh. Sweet. I like it. Oh. Yan.
Hey, why are you frowning at mommy?
Kasi yan, bababa na si Super Iman.
Ano is this one?
Yan.
Mataas talaga pala. No?
It's better. Oh yeah, mataas yan ah. Oh.
Parang mas maganda ito kaysa yung sa ano.
Sa
It's faster going down.
Yeah?
I don't know.
Yeah. It's faster go.
Feels like it.
Eh kasi siyempre paano. Remember when we're going ano sa driving?
So which one is moving? The gondolas or the wire?
na gondola.
It has ano. It has
Gear.
But how come it looks like
looks like the one.
Sliding down. It has specialized stuff on the top to put up.
Excuse me.
Emmanuel is not scared of height.
Because I'm mad.
Napagod lang.
How come they
Oh, yun yung daan, oh.
No, it's the ano.
Hmm.
My kwan yun. It's not the this one na nagmo-move.
which one? The wires moving?
The wire. It's like tingnan mo yung pinagalingan natin. Nakakalula nga.
Pababa na. Okay ka. Mahal, same face, same smile, same eyes, same nose.
Lalaki.
Ito, matarik tong pababa niya, oh.
Yeah.
Yan.
Well, I don't have.
Magaling talaga
well, I don't have a
gumawa
yellow
mga
thingy
ano, no?
here, so I'm not.
Mm.
I'm nobody.
Para
because I
lang
have
magkaroon ng
Okay.
attraction.
thingy. And I have Nikes.
Gondola.
Okay, can you frown again?
Ito si
Ay, huwag kang mamanya.
Your head's gonna get stuck and then you're gonna go around the gondola up again.
Iman.
Can you frown, Iman?
Exit. Thank you, gondola. Squamish. Yan guys. Nagutom na sila. Yan. Nakakapagod din maggundula eh.
Ah, doon?